answer. Today we'll solve that exercises. So open page number 49. Let us understand in that A main. Read the sentences and write yes or no. Just you need to write yes or no. The first one, the owl dances when it rains. Is it true? No. So the first answer is no. When it rains, the owl does not dance. Next, the eagle is very strong bird. The eagle is a very strong bird. Yes? Yes or no? Yes, it's correct. So write down yes. Next, third one. The dove is a cruel bird. The dove is a cruel bird. True? No. Yes. Third one is no. And the fourth one, the eagle could eat the dove. The eagle could eat the dove. ಹದ್ದು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ? ಡವ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾರಿವಾಳ ತಿನ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ? Yes. True. ಹದ್ದು ಪಾರಿವಾಳ ತಿಂದಿತ್ತು ಅಥವಾ ಪಾರಿವಾಳ ಹದ್ದನ್ನು ತಿಂದಿತ್ತು? So the eagle could eat the dove. Yes. Fifth one. The monkey judged the race. So who judged the race? Who is the what you can say judge of that race? It is monkey. So yes. Next, match the following groups of words in two columns to make a meaningful sentences. One has been done for you. The example they have done. The birds of the forest called a meeting. Who called a meeting? The birds of the forest. Second one. The peacock was the most beautiful bird. The peacock was the most beautiful bird, isn't it? Yes. So here I will write down the answers. B main. The first one D. Second one A. Third one, the eagle was the strongest bird. So here third one E. Fourth one, the owl thought he was. What did the owl thought? He was the cleverest bird. Yes, he was the cleverest bird. So here fourth one H. Next, the sparrow. What the sparrow did? The sparrow won the race. 5 G. 6th C. 7th F. 8th B. 8th one B. And 9th one J. 10th one I. So match this. Yes. Next, turn the page. The sparrow became the king of the birds. So the eagle thought that had won the race. The eagle thought that he had won the race. The birds were sad because they thought the eagle had won the race. So these are all of the answers of the match the following. Next, turn the page. Answer the following questions. Why did the birds hold a meeting? The birds held a meeting to choose the king for king of all birds. Okay. Why did the peacock think he should be king? Because the peacock thought that he is the most beautiful bird in the forest. So he thought that he should become a king. What did the eagle to do? The dove. The eagle could eat the dove. Why did the vulture not want the eagle to be king? Because the eagle would have eat all the small birds and small animals, isn't it? Who won the race? How did he win it? The sparrow won the race by sitting on the eagle's back. The sparrow won the race. These are answers, children. I will send you these answers. Next, coming to the horse. Your class is visiting the zoo in a bus. You are the monitor of your class. How will you make sure that the students reach the bus safely and take their seats in a smooth manner? So you are visiting the zoo in your class. You think that, imagine that you are going for a school picnic. You are visiting the zoo and you are the monitor. You are the leader of that your class. So how you will manage? So you will arrange, you will tell them to stand properly, go in a queue and stand one by one, isn't it? So like that. Tick your answer. You will only tell your classmates where the bus is. B. You will tell the students to queue up according to their roll numbers. C. You will tell them to sit in the bus one by one. You will tell them to run and grab any seat they can? No. You will take the best seat and not worry about others? No, wrong. So, tick your answer. So, tick that you will tell the students to queue up according to their roll number B1 and you will tell them to sit in a bus by one. ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರೇ ಹತ್ತಿ ಕೂಡ್ರಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ರೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ. yes. Next, vocabulary. Match words related to birds with their correct meanings. Migrate. So what is the correct meaning of migrate? To move from one region to another, that we call it as the migrate. Migration ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ. So for example, ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಮೈಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಗೆ. ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಂದು ಏರ್ಟೆಲ್ ಇದೆ. I am having a Airtel SIM. I wanted to go for Idea. So that we call it as the migration. Means to move from one place to another place. So the first one, migrate ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನದು? ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? E1. Second one, Twitter. Twitter ಅಂದ್ರೆ what do you mean by Twitter? To make a high pitched singing sound. To make a high pitched singing sound, that we call it as the Twitter. Yes or no? Correct, no? To make a high pitched sound. Twitter. Third one, hover. Hover means what? H-O-V-E-R. Hover. Hover means what? To stay in the same position in the air. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? Hover. H-O-V-E-R. ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? The A option. To stay in the same position in the air. Fourth one, brood. Brood ಅನ್ನ ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? What do you match? Brood ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? To sit on eggs in order to hatch them. Brood ಅಂದ್ರೆ to sit on eggs in order to hatch them. So the fourth one is C. Next, fifth one, roost. R-O-O-S-T. Roost andre ಏನು? The last one remaining is to rest on the branch of a tree. Roost ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Tree branch ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ? Roost. Rest ಇದರ past tense roost. Okay. Next, turn the page. Page number 51. Language and the grammar part. There are two types of questions. The first one, question that require long answers. Questions that require long answers. For example, what is so wonderful about dancing in the rain? What is so wonderful about dancing in the rain? Means this is the long question. Questions that require long answers. So question ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದ್ದಾಗ obviously answer ಕೂಡ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Next, second one, questions that require short answers. Questions that require short answers. Only yes or no. Short questions ಇರಬೇಕು. For example, shall we have a race? Yes or no? If yes, say yes, or if not, say no. Shall we have a race? Shall we have a dinner? Shall we go to market? Shall we do shopping? So these all are the short questions. The short questions require only the short answers. So here, given below are some questions. Give long or short answers as required. So ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಿ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಅವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಥವಾ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ ಇತ್ತು ನೀವು ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಡು ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ಚೀಸ್? ಸೊ ಯಾವ ತರ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇದು? ಡು ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ಚೀಸ್? ಚೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಡು ಯು ಲೈಕ್?
So much.
Yes, you like so much? Good. Yes. Yes or no? So what you need to write? Write down your individual response. Though some people will like cheese or some may not like cheese. So if you like means write yes. Yes, I like cheese. Here I am writing answer. Next, second one. Why are you late? Why are you late? Why are you late? Today I got up late, so I was late. Yes, or I missed bus today, so I came late. I missed the bus, so I'm late. Yes. Next, how do you make lemonade? How do you make lemonade? So lemonade ಅಂದ್ರೆ lemon juice ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು? The lemonade is made by mixing lemon juice with the water and sugar. So lemonade ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೇನು ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ? lemon ಮತ್ತೆ water and sugar. So I am writing here, lemonade is made by mixing lemon juice with the water and sugar. With water and sugar. Yes. Next, fourth one. What is the fourth question? May I borrow your pen please? May I borrow your pen please? Borrow ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? So just ಇವಾಗಿನ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಇಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು borrow ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಲ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು, that is borrow. Yes, sure or no, I'm sorry I can't lend it to you. ನೀವು ಕೊಡೋದಿದ್ರೆ yes, you can take it, or else no. Yes, sure. Yes, sure. Fifth one. What is the fifth question? Are the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in India? Are the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in India? Yes or no? Yes, they are in India. Yes, they are in India. Andaman Nicobar ಐಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದ್ವೀಪಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾವೆ? ಇವು ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಎಸ್, ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಟರ್ನ್ ದಿ ಪೇಜ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್. ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 54. Fill in the blanks using quit or quite. Quit or quite. See here, you have to observe this difference between the two words. Quit and quite. So here they have given. Yes, please, I will give you 1 minute. Please copy these answers. Later I will tell you the next. Yes, shall I rub this? Next, turn the page number 54. B main, fill in the blanks. So one can lead a dash life in a village. So one can lead a which type of life? Quiet life. So here you need to observe the spelling Q-U-I-E-T. Okay. Quiet life in the village. Next, when I asked Sheila if she broke the doll, she kept quiet. So Sheila ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು ಗೊಂಬೆಯನ್ನ ಮುರಿದಿದ್ಲು ಆಕೆಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ನೀನು ಮುರಿದಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಏನಿದ್ಲು ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಒಪ್ಕೋತಾರ is they agree no then what they will respond they will become quiet means to become silent Q-U-I-E-T okay next third one traffic in a big cities is dash traffic in big cities is dash heavy so quite heavy the traffic is quite heavy fourth one be dash the baby is asleep be quiet the baby is asleep baby malkondide so silent agiru be quiet so is it third one is correct which I am writing here no so here you need to observe this quiet yes now it is correct the third one is what traffic in a big cities is quite heavy next fourth one what be quiet okay fifth one I am not dash sure where Joseph lives I am not quite sure so quite Q-U-I-T quite I am not quite sure where Joseph lives ನನಗೆ sure ಇಲ್ಲ ಜೋಸೆಫ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ so sixth one his house is dash far from here his house is quite far from here quite so again the same spelling Q-U-I-T quite quit quite okay next writing practice make sentences using these words so blanket so this is your homework you need to make it yourself the blanket second one pocket third one target fourth one rocket fifth one story so for example blanket today's weather is very cold so I am putting blanket on my body yes next values for a life write T for true and F for false a leader should be fair to all a leader should be fair to all leader ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಮ ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ yes or no yes write T a leader should be able to beat up everyone a leader should be able to beat up everyone no a leader should be smart and clever true yes fourth one a leader should be able to dance well a leader should be able to dance well yes a leader should listen to all a leader should listen to all yes or no yes a leader should be able to take decisions and solve problems true here there is a one activity birds fly from one place to another along the way they feel hungry and thirsty keep some bird seed and fresh water in a pot on the roof of your house you will feel good when you see birds flying down to your place and feeding and drinking from the pot you set out for them okay so ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದಿರಬಹುದು so birds will fly from one place to another place ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ಹಸಿವಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೀರಡಿಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ so they feel thirsty they feel hungry so what you have to do you need to keep some bird seeds ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಳುಗಳು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗ್ರೇನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆರೆಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ತಿಂತಾವೆ or else ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಪಾಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಬಾಟಲ್ ತಗೋರಿ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಬೌಲ್ ತಗೋರಿ ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀರು ಹಾಕಿಟ್ರೆ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ಸೀಸನ್ they will come on your terrace and they will drink that water so you feel good by seeing the birds you will feel good ಅಥವಾ ನೀರನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿ ಟೆರೆಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಟರೆ ಅವು ಬಂದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಿನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೀವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ದ ಡವ್, ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾರೋ. You can observe that birds very nearby, very closely. Yes. Okay, children. This is the exercise of this lesson. So please complete your fair book. Okay. Okay. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.